welcome back again. Today I'm gonna show you how to do breaded halloumi. So let's come and join me. So to cook breaded halloumi, obviously you're gonna need halloumi, plain flour, corn flour, breadcrumb, Cajun seasoning, oil. So the reason I'm using corn flour instead of eggs, some people are vegan or vegetarian, they don't eat eggs. So in that case, I'm gonna be using this corn flour, mixing with a little bit of water and whisk it. So what we're gonna do is put a little bit salt into the flour, mix it together, and then a little bit salt into the breadcrumb and a little bit of Cajun seasoning just to give a bit more spice to the halloumi. Mix that up, dip that into a flour like so, into a corn flour, into a breadcrumb, back into the corn flour, back into the breadcrumb. There we have. So that's what I prepped. We're gonna fry it. I'm not gonna fry it, I'm gonna shallow fry it. It's your choice, you can fry it too. A tablespoon of oil. Brush the pan with the oil, making sure the pan is hot so it's ready to shallow fry. You don't really want to be adding too much salt into the flour or the breadcrumb because the halloumi cheese got a lot of salt already. It's completely up to you whatever spices you want to be using. I'm gonna shallow fry that for a bit on both sides, and quickly gonna check and then leave it in the oven for literally a minute or so, and then it'll be ready to eat. So using a spatula or silicone spoon, just flip it over. That's a really lovely nice brown in color. Cook that for another minute or so. Flip it over again. That's the color you really want to be having on them. Turn the gas off. Straight into the non-stick baking tray. Into the oven about 180 degrees for literally 1 to 2 minutes. So it's ready to come out. Beautiful color. So into the plate. Have breaded halloumi cheese. I'm gonna have it with spicy mayonnaise. You can have whichever sauce you prefer. I hope you enjoyed the video.